everybody, I'm Chi Chi, the maker behind Wow Just Wow Candle Co. My studio has officially reached a hot mess and I can't make another thing until I fix this. Let's pack up some stuff that I no longer use or don't need. So this is going to be for trash. This is going to be for donating. I don't really like this anymore. I don't think it's a point of me keeping this, so this is gonna go in the donation box. This, I still love it, but I have two, so I don't know. This gonna go in the maybe pile. I don't know. Oh no. No. See, this is so hard when you have so much stuff that you still love, but okay. I gotta get rid of stuff. All right, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so we definitely made some progress. Got the center table cleared off, except for my products. This is just a reminder to me to get on the ball and do my photo shoot. I give myself till the end of January to have this done. Matter of fact, squash that. Let's do January 15th. I give myself to January 15th to have this photography done, to update my website. If not, I gotta hire my photography man, and he's worth every penny, but right now I'm just trying to save $1. So definitely got a lot more to do.